Are you having trouble finding a suitable platform for your consulting business or your business that sells digital products? Obviously, you can create a website, but that involves a lot of steps, such as you have to first hire a developer, you have to pay the web developer, you also have to set up various systems, such as one of the vital ones is the payment system. So all of these tasks are going to take a lot of time as well as money. If you want to avoid all these steps, you can simply use a tool that I'm going to show you today. So hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd Deals. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to our channel and also hit that bell icon so that you never miss any of our uploads. And also, if you are interested in SaaS products or more specifically SaaS lifetime deals, you can join our group which is called SaaS Lifetime Deal Discussion. So on this group, you are going to get the most exclusive deals on SaaS products, and also there are various discussions going on this group. You are going to get a lot of like-minded individuals on this group, and the best part is this group hosts giveaways on a regular basis. As you can see, currently Super Grow giveaway is going on, so make sure you join this group to participate on these giveaways. So Noodle is a platform that is going to provide you with a platform where you can host your business, such as consulting business, or you can also sell your digital products, and you do not have to create any website. It is going to give you your own landing page, and all of the payment systems are already created. All you have to do is simply connect your account, and it has a lot of attractive features that are going to take your business to the next level, such as the AI Sidekick that is going to help you retain more customers. And a great news is Noodle is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. The regular pricing is $300, but at Appsumo you are getting this Noodle tool at only $39, which is a one-time single payment. So if you want to buy Noodle on a lifetime deal, make sure you check the link in the description below. Noodle is an alternative to Calendly, Gumroad and Kajabi. Now let's have a look at all the features that you are going to get with this tool. So as you can see, there is going to be AI assistant that can chat with your leads, that can build your shop, that can even manage customer requests. There are also the booking and scheduling feature. You can message your client, you can accept payments via Apple and even Google Pay. You can collect reviews, and there are a lot of other features. So these are 3 tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. The tier 1 costs $39, and here you can have unlimited leads. There's not going to be any limit to chat, and the amount of bytes is 30. So bytes is basically your shop or your service that you can host on Noodle, and then you can have 16 broadcasts and 1000 members. On tier 2, the cost is $119 with these limits, and there is an additional feature on this tier 2, which is the Noodle widget for your website, and the tier 3 cost $109, and here are all the features. You can also have a look at all the primary features of Noodle on their website. The payment system is flexible. All your products and services are one tap away. You have the AI assistant. You can create digital content and courses. You can chat as a paid service, which is the consulting. There are memberships and subscriptions. There is the scheduling feature and all that. So after you log into Noodle, you will get this page, and on here you have to set up the Slack for your business. So this is going to be your web address, noodle.shop/ then you have to provide your name. So let's provide one. So this is going to be my Slack. Now let's click on get started, and then you have to provide your name and select the country. You have to provide your email address as well as password. So once you fill up all these details, click on sign up. So as you can see, now we are in the account setup page. So we have already set up the Noodle URL. So this is going to be our shop URL. And then you can also upload your avatar. You can select the brand color. So let's select red. And then you can also select the default currency, the account name, the email, phone number. You also have to select your business category. For example, my business is a consultant business. So let's select this one. And then you have to provide the description for your business. So for the description, if you do not want to write anything by yourself or manually, you can simply let the AI handle it for you. Simply click on Try Noodle Assist AI. And as you can see, now the AI is crafting a short description for my business, and it is a pretty good one. Now let's click on proceed after selecting the time zone. Now you have to create a service to sell on Noodle. So the service could be in person. In that case, the fee is going to be 0%. You can also select remote service and the same fee applies. But for private chat or byte or membership, you are going to have to pay 15% fee. So the private chat is great for video analysis, personalized responses, services. You can also select Byte. So Byte is for selling your digital products on Noodle. You can also select membership if you want to start a community with membership and give subscribers access to your broadcast messages. So let's select private chat, and now you have to provide the service title. So let's generate one by the AI. Since we have not provided much information, the AI has came up with a generic service title. You can also regenerate if you want. So let's skip this and click on create. Now we are in the pricing page where we have to create our pricings. So it could be single payment or monthly subscription. So let's select single payment, and the payment is going to be $50. Now you can generate a price title or let the AI generate it for you. You can also generate the price description by the AI. So there you go. It's a pretty good one, I have to say. Now if you want, you can private this price or leave it as it is. Then click on create your price. So as you can see, now the payment link has been created. So if someone wants to take your service and wants to pay for that, he or she can simply scan this QR code, or you can also copy this link and then provide this to potential customers. And you can also preview the payment link. So as you can see, this is the payment page. So here is the service name, which is consultation chat. This is the delivery notes. There is satisfaction guaranteed message, and here are all the details that the customer has to fill up. So let's close this payment link. And so as you can see, there is our service. You can also add another price if you want. Now let's go to the dashboard. And here you can see some details such as the onboarding checklist. You can also see your total earnings. So this is the current month, which is July. So this is the amount of earnings that I have. And then you can see all of your products or services on this section. So currently I only have one service, which is this consult chat, and it is an one-time payment. And if you want to edit this service, simply click on edit. So as you can see on here, you can edit your service. So let's go back. And if you want to add another product or service, for that you have to click on this plus icon, and then you can choose in-person, remotely, private chat, which means however you provide your service. Then there are some other options on this dashboard, such as this chat option. So here you can see all of your chats, and you can see the paid chats, the scheduled ones, the subscribers and the leads. You can also see the anonymous chats. Then there is the AI feed. So here you can see the AI enabled conversations, which means if someone tries to contact with the AI, you can also see all of the comments, which means the comments that you are getting for your service. You can also see all of your broadcast on this section. Then there is this section. So on here there are two options. So you can either get paid with your price, or you can also open the AI chat. So here you can preview the AI as a customer. You can also get help using Noodle. So Noodle has their own AI assistant that can help you if you want further help with using Noodle. You can also add Noodle AI to your website. Then there is this member section where you can see all of your subscribed members, free members, and the contacts that are yet to be verified. And the last section here is the payment option. So here you can see the payments, the payouts, and also the overview. Now let's try to go to our shop. So as you can see, this was the shop that I just created. So this is the owner of the shop. So he is a consultant. As you can see, you can also see the country and the chat. So here is the one service that is currently offered by this shop. You can type a message to know more about the service, and here is the service option. You can also see the profile of the owner if you want. For that you have to sign in to Noodle. So overall, I think Noodle is an excellent tool that gives you your own platform where you can host your consulting business, or you can also sell your digital products such as courses, and there are already payment systems created. There are a lot of features such as the chatting option, various products or services that you can sell. You can also use the AI Sidekick for further help in your business. So all in all, Noodles is an excellent tool that is definitely a worth buy if you want to host your business on this platform. So if you want to buy this Appsumo lifetime deal of Noodle, make sure you check the link in the description below. These are the features that you are going to get with this lifetime deal of Noodle, and these are 3 tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. So that's it for our today's video. I hope you have found the video to be helpful. If you do, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content like this.